Now, continuation of revisional video. If the sum will come in this form, simplify in this form. If it will come, A is given this 2p minus 3q plus 7r, B minus 5p plus 4q minus 2r, C 15p minus 7q plus 8r. Then calculate the value of A plus B plus C. Okay. Then A plus B plus C. Then put the values 2p minus 3q plus 7r plus, okay, there is minus. So plus minus means the sign will be negative. So here you will write down minus 5p, and this term is plus 4q, then again minus, then plus C means 15p minus 7q plus 8r. Now there are terms related to p, q and r. So you know in algebra, like terms you can add or you can subtract. So here like terms means p related terms we have to find out. There is p, there is p, there is p. Clear? Now this and this plus 15 plus 2, 17p, 17p minus 5p, 17 minus 5, that means 12p over, then q, there is q, there is q, there is q. So minus 3 minus 7 minus 10 and plus 4, so it will become minus 6q. Then r, here, here, here. These are like terms, so we can add and we can subtract. 8 plus 7, 15, 15 minus 2, 13 plus 13r. This is the answer. But in next sum, you will see, find the sum of these. Given 3 terms are there, find the sum of these. Then last step, you have to put the values of x, y and z. Clear? So next one, if this type will come, find the sum. I am not copying the terms, just I am calculating the sum. Okay, find the sum. There are given 3 terms. So 7x square plus 2y square minus 9z square. Then negative sign is there. So negative minus 2x square plus 3y square plus 7z square. Again there is negative sign. Again negative this. You have to calculate the sum of this. Clear? Now you do this. How you can do? These like terms you have to find out. X square, there is, and there is. Minus 4 minus 2 means minus 6 and plus 7. So 7x square minus 6x square means x square. I am not showing the second step. You will do it in your copy. And 2y square, 3y square, 4y square. This and this plus 3 plus 2, 5 minus 4, that means y square. And there is z square, z square, z square. 7 plus 3, 10 minus 9 means, if the values of x, y, z not given, then we can finish it here. But values given, we have to put the values x1, y given 2, and z given 3. Now 1 plus 2 square means 4 plus 9, 14. This is the answer. If values of the variables given, you have to put the values and you have to calculate the answer in number. Clear? This type may come. Then if the sum is this, A given, B given, C given, okay. If the sum is this type, A given x square minus yz, you will get this in PDF. B y square minus zx, C z square minus xy. Then find the value of this, ax plus by plus cz. So what to do first? In place of a, we have to put this. Clear? Then into x plus b means into y plus what I am doing? Nothing. I am putting the values of a, b, c into z. The next step, you have to open the bracket by multiplication. So x square into x. You know, in case of multiplication, power or index will be added. So 2 plus 1 means 3. That will become x cube. And minus different terms x, different variables x, y, z. Plus, by same reason, it will become y cube and minus and writing serially x, y, z. Plus z cube minus x, y, z. Clear? Now, I think no term will be cancelled out. Okay. Then similar terms only x, y, z. So this one x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus x, y, z minus x, y, z minus. So 3 minus 3 x, y, z. Values given? No. So this is the answer. Clear? In this way you have to do. Then one division I am showing. It may come in MCQ part. Divide this by that. In case of multiplication, what I have told, you have to add the power or index. And in case of division, powers will be subtracted. Now I am doing one sum. See, divide this 12x to the power 4 minus 8x cube square plus 20 a cube x to the power 4 by minus 4x cube. This is the question, that divide this by this. Now when we are dividing by single term, then we can separate in this way. 12x to the power 4 by minus 4x cube. Okay, we can separate. Then here, see, minus, there is also minus. Minus, minus, it will become plus. Clear? So 8x cube square by 4x cube. Why? There is plus, there is minus. That's why this minus I kept over here. But this minus and this minus will be cancelled out and it will become plus. And or one more step. Okay, I am writing like this way. Minus and then here negative minus 4x cube plus 20 a cube x to the power 4 by minus 4x cube. Now see, 4 and 12. Now there is power of x is 4, here 3. So in case of division, powers will be subtracted. 4 minus 3, it will become 1. and here minus, negative sign is there, minus 3 x to the power 4 minus 3 means 1. So here you will not write down 1. This means 1. Clear? And this minus, there is negative sign, and this will become plus 2. X cube and x cube same. 3 minus 3. That means it is becoming 0. X to the power 0 means 1. Or in this way you can cancel out. A square. Clear? Minus plus minus 5. 4 minus 3 means 1. A cube. This is the, after division what we get, this is called quotient. 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 Okay. Now next part you will get in next video.